Students, today we are going to read chapter 4 Animal Facts. The world of animal is full of amazing facts. Some are given below. Enrich your knowledge by reading these facts. So today we are going to read about the animals. Okay. So first of all there is wandering albatross. Has the largest wingspan, that wings, which is more than 11 feet, and that wing's length is more than 11 feet. The adults are very dedicated persons. The albatross parents catch and swallow their prey at sea, then fly back to the nest and vomit the food into the nestling mouth. They lay only one egg each year. Wandering albatross, their wings are more than 11 feet and they are a very caring parents. They swallow their whole prey, and after coming back to their nest, they put that food into their young one's mouth, and in 1 year they lay only one egg. Next is the Manx cat. The Manx cat is a breed of a tailless cat. It means without any tail. These cats hoop just like rabbits. Hoop means jump. These cats jump like rabbits. As per legend, it is believed that Noah accidentally cut off his tail with the door of the ark as the rain began to fall. And it is believed that accidentally no means any person. They accidentally means suddenly, when they were closing the door, the rain began to fall, and when they were closing the door, then the tail of the cat accidentally cut, and after that it never blinked. Next is there the Gardner Bobber bird. Is the wonderful bird. It make a dome-shaped home, dome like this, okay, dome-shaped home, and decorate it with fruits and flowers. The male is the only animal beside humans that uses orchids to woo the female. Okay, so the Gardner Bowered bird, it is a very wonderful. They decorate their nest with fruits and flowers, and the male animal is their humus that uses orchids to make the female. Third is there the seahorse. Seahorse is not a horse, but it is a fish. This is a seahorse shape. It is not a horse, it is a fish. Baby seahorse hatch inside the pouch on the father's belly. Each day the adult seahorse can consume up to 3,000 saltwater shrimp. They have no teeth. Okay, so baby seahorses hatch inside the pouch on the father's belly. They are hatches in the pouch means pocket of the father's belly means stomach, and each day the adult seahorse can consume, it means they use the 3,000 saltwater shrimp, and they do not have teeth. Next is there, though all zebras have striped body, but no two zebras have similar stripes. They prefer to live in areas where there is tall grasses, thus enabling them to protect themselves from their animals. All the zebras are there. They all have strips, but no zebra have a same strip. It means lines. They are all have different types of line. They prefer to live where the grasses are tall because with it they can protect themselves from the animals. Next is their octopus. When an octopus is in danger, it ejects a thick cloud of bluish black ink. This helps the octopus to escape from the danger. They are highly intelligent, they do not have color vision, and they can taste what they touch. Octopus, when it is in danger, then it releases a thick cloud of bluish black ink, and it helps the octopus to save himself from danger. They are very intelligent animal, but they do not have a color vision, but they can taste them by touch. Next is there this, the Great Indian Bustard. The Great Indian Bustard is a very big bird and is found only in India and Pakistan. This Great Indian Bustard, it is only found in India and Pakistan. It is the state bird of Rajasthan. It is the state bird of Rajasthan. It can live without water for weeks if water is not available, and if the water is not available, then it can survive without water for a week. Next is flamingos. The flamingos get their pink color from their favorite food, that the shrimps. If they do not get shrimps for a long time, their color will change to white. Okay, this is the flamingo called pink flamingo. The pink color is just because of the food, that is shrimps, and if they do not get the fruit for a long time, then they will be turned into white color. Next is chameleon. Chameleon have an amazing ability to change their body color. They change their body color to match with the surrounding in which they live. They can also see into different direction at the same time without moving their heads. Chameleon is also have ability to change its body color. Where they live, according to their surrounding, they can change their color to protect themselves from their enemies, and at the same time they can see the two sides in two directions. Next is the house lizard. That is most of the people you have seen. House lizard has the unique ability to lose its tail when in danger. It means when they are in danger, they can lose their tail. The enemy get confused and it escape. And when they lose their, it means when their lizard tail is cut, then the enemy get confused and then they are saved. A new tail grew within few days, and after some days the tail again came. Next is the giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest mammal on land. It generally does not make any sound. If needed, they can go for several days without water. Males are larger than female. It is the largest mammal, and they do not make sounds generally, and if there is no water, so they can survive without water for many days, and the male giraffe is larger than the female. Next is peregrine falcon. It is the fastest flying bird and also the fastest animal. It can attain a speed of over 320 kilometers per hour while diving for a prey in the air. It is the fastest bird, and when it attack or follow its prey, then it can fly. It can fly at the speed of 320 kilometers.